growing up, I was really close with my brother and sister. There were three of us. And we spent a lot of our time outside in the garden. I didn't grow up with a father. He died when I was really, really young. And I wasn't close to my mother. But us kids were really close. And we spent a lot of time on our own just finding our way around the small garden and yard and little tiny bit of forest that we had on our property in suburbia. And maybe I overcompensate a bit for my kids and really nourish that private world that they have, the world that I think all children have, and manifest it in the garden. And I kind of think of the farm as a large garden. And it's probably not just for them. I'm sure it's all about me too, and kind of love being in this place. And I think a lot of people create gardens and because of that sense of mystery, that magical place where you connect with nature and be with yourself. It's a bit wild, our garden, but it's not really. I like having the chickens and fruit and vegetables and making it not just a mysterious place, but a place we entertain ourselves and a place to be close. Experience that in a small way, that magical world that kids sometimes live in, trying to see it through experienced eyes, right? You can't relive childhood, but you can see it through a life lived, experiencing in a very different way. I want to be close to them.